Hi, welcome. This video will lead us to the demo of a web search engine based approach to measure semantic similarity between words. Measuring the semantic similarity between words is an important component in various tasks on the web, such as relation extraction, community mining, document clustering, and automatic metadata extraction. Despite the usefulness of semantic similarity measures in these applications, accurately measuring semantic similarity between two words remains a challenging task. We propose an empirical method to estimate semantic similarity using page counts and text snippets retrieved from a web search engine for two words. Specifically, we define various word co-occurrence measures using page count and integrate those with lexical patterns extracted from text snippets. To identify the numerous semantic relations that exist between two given words, we propose a novel pattern extraction algorithm and a pattern clustering algorithm. The optimal combination of page counts based co-occurrence measures and lexical patterns clusters is learned using support vector machine. The proposed method outperforms various baselines and previously proposed web-based semantic similarity measures on these three benchmarks datasets, showing a high correlation with human ratings. Moreover, the proposed method significantly improves the accuracy in a community mining task. First of all, we have to load the dataset. In the dataset, we give an input as a search engine. In this search engine, we have to find out the semantic similarity between the queries. For that, we have to find out page counts for that queries, that is the occurrence of the queries in the dataset. We are using four methodologies. They are web jacket, web overlap, web dice, web PMI. These methods are used to find the similarity between these words, and then the lexical patterns in the queries are extracted, and then only these lexical patterns are combined to form the clustering. After this, sequential pattern clustering is find out. Measuring the semantic similarity is the final step. Using this, we can find the semantic similarity between the words in the queries. Let us see the demo of a web search engine based approach to measure semantic similarity between words. Now press enter. Now we have to load the data. Now the data is loaded. It contains two queries and one lexical. And then press search engine. This is the tree structure of that queries used in this dataset. Now first of all view query 1 and then view query 2. Then press page counts. For page count, we first using the web jacket coefficient. For that, we have to find out the conjunction query, HP page count, HQ page count, and overall coefficient value of web jacket. And then web overlap. In web overlap also, conjunction query, HP page count, and then find HQ page count, then find out the minimum page count. After that, we find the overall coefficient value of web overlap method. Then press web dice. In web dice method, we have to find out the conjunction query, and 2 HP and Q page counts are also find out, and then the HP and HQ. Then find out the total page count. Using this, we can find out the coefficient of web dice. It is the overall coefficient of web dice. Next to that, we have to find out the web PMI. In web PMI, we first of all find the probability of conjunction query, and then the probability for query 1. Then we have to find out the probability for query 2. After that, find the probability of queries, and finally find out the accurate PMI value. These four methods are completed. and then we have to find out the lexical patterns. For lexical pattern, we find the snippets first of all. Using that snippets, we have to pruning that, and then we extract the lexical patterns from that. Then press lexical pattern clustering. Here we clustering the lexical patterns. For that, first of all we have to sort the lexical patterns, and then we have to find the clustering based on the sorting. Then press measuring semantic similarity. In this stage we find the semantic similarity. This semantic similarity is find out by n dimension, and then we have to press similarity button, then press next. In this we have to find out the lexical pattern of non-synonyms pattern, and then for that also we have to sorting the lexical patterns. Using that we have to form the cluster, that is the clustering the non-synonyms, and then we have to press next. In that also we have to find out the n dimension. This is for weight of non-synonym cluster, and then similarity between the words. Now the similarity between the query 1 and the query 2 is find out for non-synonyms, then press next, and then find the Pearson coefficient. This Pearson coefficient is used to find out the correlation coefficient value, then press next. This is the find final Spearman correlation. From this we have to find the rank. Using that we can find out the overall coefficient value and the rank. Thanks for watching this video.